All right, here are two equations or questions that I'll walk through in this video. So for whenever you're dealing with logs, what I'd recommend doing is first pointing out or looking at which rules you're able to use, you're able to apply. So straight away, I notice there's a constant at the front of the log, which if we use the power rule, can just get moved up to power the function inside the logarithm. And then the second one is, of course, the division rule, which is if you got one log taken away from another log, you have the first over the second, and the base remains the same. Whoops. Like so. And so first let's shift this to the power, and then we will put this into a fraction. So log 3x minus 5 squared minus log 2x minus 13. And then using the division rule, we go log 3x minus 5 squared over 2x minus 13. To make life simpler, you just expand and simplify that. So log 3 x squared minus 10. I cannot write the correct things. 10x plus 25 all over 2x minus 13. And then we want to take the logarithm out, so we just move it to 3 to the power of 1, which is just equal to 3. So you end up getting x squared minus 10x plus 25 over 2x minus 13 equals 3. And then shift the denominator out. X squared minus 10x plus 25 equals 6x minus 39. Shift everything to one side so you have a quadratic formula that gets you x squared minus 16x plus 64. And you don't even need to use the quadratic formula here. You can easily tell that x will either equal 8 or 8, and then they're both the same solution. So the solution to this, to x, is x equals 8. And now we'll go to a simple log base change. So again, remember to see which rules you can apply immediately. So from this, obviously the only one that we'll really have to worry about is a log base change. So remember that's log a. You might have different letters to represent it, but log a is log b of n over log b of a, where b can be any number. You generally want to do just log, which is equal to log base 10. But in this example, we want to make sure that we get one that's a factor of these two numbers. So if we split up each of these, we get, for the left hand here, our left side, we get log base 2 of 3 over log base 2 of 2. Because remember, you have the constant, which is 3 on the top, and then you have the base on the bottom, which is 2. And then on this side, we have log base 2, 3 to the k, because remember we still have to keep the power here, over log base 2 to the 4. And if we simplify out the stuff, here we see that log 2 of 2 cancels out, so just get log 2 of 3, and then log 2 of 4 cancels out to get just 2 as a constant. So log 2, 3k, sorry, it's a bit squished there. And then from here, we can again, move the constant out to this side, so 2 log 2 of 3 is equal to log 2 of 3k. And then remember, so this is where actually the power rule comes in. So we didn't see it earlier, but the power rule is also involved. So that just means log 2 of 3 to the 2. And as we can see, the base here and the function itself is the same as the base and function here. And then we just got the squared on the top. So k equals 2. And that's the solution for both of those problems. Yep, see you later.